Ever dreamt of making money while you sleep or lounge by the beach? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Hold on to that thought, because today we're diving deep into the magnetic world of passive income. Picture this, a life where you're not tied to the 9-to-5 grind, and your bank account grows even when you're taking that long-awaited road trip or exploring a hidden island paradise. Curious? Stick around as we unravel 12 captivating passive income strategies that could elevate your earnings to a whopping $30K a month. Trust me, by the end of this video, your perspective on money making is about to change big time. The ARCAT story, the power of passive income. To truly grasp the power of passive income, let's travel back in time to ancient Babylon. ARCAT, often referred to as the richest man in Babylon, epitomized the concept of passive income. Rather than toiling endlessly, he lent out his money and watched it grow through interest. His story serves as an ancient testament to the concept that one doesn't need to be actively involved in a venture to reap its financial benefits. Vending machines. One might not immediately think of vending machines as lucrative, but when positioned in the right location and stocked with the right products, they can be gold mines. The key lies in understanding the needs of the location's demographic and keeping the machines well maintained. With an initial investment, a vending machine can offer a continuous flow of income, making it a fantastic passive venture. It might seem far-fetched, but scaling the vending machine business can inch you closer to that $30K monthly goal. Imagine if each machine garners a profit of $200 per month. Owning 150 such machines would net you $30,000. With the right selection of the products and strategic placement, such as in busy offices, schools, or transport hubs, each machine can generate substantial earnings. As the business grows and more machines are added to high-footfall areas, reaching this target becomes increasingly achievable. With good maintenance and timely restocking, a well-structured vending machine venture can be your golden goose. Print-on-demand businesses. The digital age has unlocked countless passive income avenues, and among the most promising is the print-on-demand business model. Here, individuals can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and only produce them when a customer places an order. This eliminates the risk of unsold inventory, and with platforms like Teespring or Redbubble, getting started has never been easier. The beauty of print-on-demand lies in its scalability. With zero inventory costs and an almost infinite global audience, the sky's the limit. By tapping into evergreen niches or timely trends and marketing effectively through platforms like Facebook or Instagram, one can drive massive sales. If you were to net an average of $10 profit for sale, you would need 3,000 sales monthly, or 100 sales daily to reach $30K. Given the vastness of the online market, hitting these numbers with consistency and effective strategy is within the realm of possibility. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Not everyone has the capital to buy real estate, but that doesn't mean you should miss out on its income potential. REITs, publicly traded companies that own, operate, or finance real estate, can be your ticket in. They often provide high dividend yields, giving investors a taste of the real estate market without the hefty initial investment. Achieving a monthly passive income of $30K through REITs largely depends on the amount invested and the yield. Suppose an REIT offers an annual dividend yield of 6%. To achieve $30,000 monthly or $360,000 annually, one would need an investment of $6 million. While this is a significant sum, remember that dividends are only one part of the equation. REITs also have the potential for capital appreciation, which, when combined with dividends, can help you reach your financial goals faster. Renting a room on Airbnb. The sharing economy has democratized the way we think about assets. That spare room in your home? It could be a consistent source of income. Platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to rent out spaces, offering travelers a homey experience while lining the pockets of homeowners. Considering that many Airbnb hosts can make over $1,000 monthly from a single room, the key here is scalability and quality of experience. If you own or manage multiple high-quality properties in sought-after travel destinations, it's conceivable to achieve $30K per month. Offering unique experiences, competitive pricing, and stellar hospitality can ensure high occupancy rates. Furthermore, diversifying properties, from city apartments to countryside retreats, can hedge against seasonal demand fluctuations. Investing in small businesses as a silent partner. Have capital but lack the time or expertise to start a business? Consider being a silent partner. By investing in a promising small business, you can share in its profits without getting involved in its daily operations, allowing you to enjoy financial benefits without the usual business headaches. To reach a passive income of $30K from small business investments, one should diversify across sectors and ensure a stake in businesses with robust growth potential. For instance, investing in 10 businesses that each provide a return of $3,000 monthly would achieve the goal. It's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence, understand the industry, and invest in passionate, knowledgeable entrepreneurs to maximize success. Licensing pictures. In this visual age, content is king. If you're a photographer or even a hobbyist with a good eye, there's potential for passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images allow you to license your photos. Every time someone downloads or uses your image, you earn a commission. With top photographers on platforms like Shutterstock earning over $100,000 annually, achieving a $30K monthly income is ambitious but feasible. This would require a vast portfolio of high-quality in-demand images and consistent uploads to maintain relevance. Focusing on niche subjects or trending topics can further boost downloads. Licensing images across multiple platforms can also increase reach and revenue. Blogging with ads and affiliate marketing. If writing's your forte, then blogging might be your gateway to passive income. Start a blog on a niche you're passionate about, and as traffic grows, incorporate ads. Platforms like Google AdSense can automate this. A popular blog with substantial traffic can rake in impressive sums. High-traffic blogs can earn upwards of $20 per 1,000 ad views. Therefore, to achieve $30K monthly through ads alone, a blog would require 1.5 million monthly views. Combine this with affiliate marketing, where commission rates can range from $10 to $500 per sale or even more, and the potential becomes evident. A strategic mix of quality content, SEO optimization, and targeted affiliate marketing can make this dream a reality. Putting ads on your car. Turn your vehicle into a moving billboard. Companies pay for ad space on cars, especially if you frequently drive in high-traffic areas. While a single car advertisement might earn you $300 to $600 monthly, consider scaling by establishing a fleet. Whether you own multiple vehicles or collaborate with others, creating a local network can multiply earnings. Partnering with local businesses and offering them a mobile advertising platform can be lucrative. With 50 cars in circulation, each earning $600, you'd hit that $30K mark. Investing in government bonds. Safety and steady returns make government bonds an attractive passive income source. By lending money to the government, you receive a fixed interest over a set period. While government bonds typically offer modest returns, they're consistent and reliable. To achieve $30K monthly at an average return of 2% annually, one would need to invest $18 million. However, by using bonds as a stable foundation and diversifying with higher-yielding investments, you can strike a balance between security and profitability. The role of dividend-paying stocks in passive income. Stocks are more than just about capital appreciation. Companies like Microsoft and Johnson & Johnson have a rich history of paying dividends. Stocks with strong history of dividends like Microsoft or Johnson & Johnson can be cornerstones in a portfolio aiming for $30K monthly. Assuming an average annual dividend yield of 3%, an investment of $12 million would be necessary. However, by selectively investing in high-yield and growth stocks, the required capital can be reduced. Stock dividends, combined with capital appreciation, offer a two-pronged approach to wealth accumulation. Diversifying your passive income portfolio. Relying on a single income source can be risky. The key to sustained passive income is diversification. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across various passive income streams. This approach not only mitigates risk, but also offers multiple revenue avenues, pushing you closer to that coveted $30K per month. A well-diversified portfolio is the keystone of sustainable passive income. By spreading investments across the aforementioned streams, risks are hedged and multiple revenue sources are established. To hit $30K monthly, strategically allocate resources based on potential returns and personal risk tolerance. Regularly revisiting and adjusting this portfolio ensures that it remains aligned with financial goals and market dynamics. Indeed, passive income isn't just a modern-day buzzword. Its roots, as showcased by Arkad's story, run deep in history. Today, with more tools and opportunities at our disposal than ever before, achieving significant passive income has become a tangible reality for many. So dive in, explore these avenues, and start your journey towards financial freedom.